Good day, everyone. I'm Kurt Azar Ortilano, BSN1B student, and now I'm going to perform a demonstration of the ambulation using crutches. First step to do is review the medical records of the patient. After reviewing the medical records of the patient, let's assume that I am in the patient's room. So now I'm going to perform hand hygiene. And then after the hand hygiene, I'm going to identify the patient. Sir, good morning, sir. I'm Kurt Ortilano, your nurse for today, and today I'm going to ask you some questions. So, sir, what's your name, sir?
Oscar.
Your birthday, your age, sir. Sir, today, ako ang nagluan kung sa mga chest. And wala na ba ka sir? Before we proceed, ako sa kasulat of medyas o sapatos. Assuming that the patient has already wear those things. Now I'm going to perform a four-point gait. And before that, in using your crutches, you should make sure that the crutches are 3 fingers below the axilla, 1 to 2 inches. And your elbows are flexed 20 to 30 degrees, and the crutches are 8 to 12 inches away from your feet. Now I'm going to start perform the four-point gait. First step is right crutch forward, then left foot, then left crutch forward, then right foot. Then the same procedure. Right crutch, left foot, left crutch, right foot, then right crutch, left foot, left crutch, right foot, and then. And that's how you do the four-point gait. Now I'm going to perform the three-point gait. The first step is move you forward both the crutches and together with the bad leg. So my bad leg is left leg. Like that. Move both crutches forward and sit together with the left leg, and then the good leg. Same procedure. And that's how you do the three-point gait. Now I'm going to perform the two-point gait. So first step is right crutch with the left leg, then left crutch with the right leg. Again. Right crutch with the left leg, then left crutch with the right leg. Then the same procedure. Right crutch, left leg, left crutch, and right leg. That's how you do the two-point gait. Now I'm going to perform the swing two. In doing swing two, first is you're going to move both the crutches forward, then swing the foot in level with the crutches. And the same procedure. Crutches forward, in level with your foot with the crutches. That's how you do the swing two. Now I'm going to perform the swing through. In doing swing through, you should move both the crutches forward, then swing your feet past to the crutches like this. Forward to the crutches, and past the crutches. That. That's how you do the swing through. Now I'm going to perform sitting with the crutches. So first is put the crutches on the injured side. And then use the uninjured hand to support your body in sitting. And now I'm going to perform this standing with the crutches. So first step is I'm going to put the crutches on the right side or the uninjured side, and then use your hand to support your body in standing up. And now I'm going to perform relationship crutches in going upstairs. Now I'm going, first step is the uninjured leg first, and then use it to push, and then use the crutches to support. Right leg, and then like that. And now I'm going to perform ambulation using crutches in stepping down the stairs. First is I'm going to move forward the crutches down, and then the bad leg, and then the good leg. Crutches down, then the bad leg, and then the good leg. Crutches down, bad leg, and good leg. Down, bad leg, good leg. Now I'm going to perform ambulation using cane. Before that, make sure that the cane is level to your waist, and then to your hands, your arm there. Now I'm going to perform ambulation using cane. But before that, make sure that your cane is level to your waist, and then your elbows are flexed 20 to 30 degrees. Now I'm going to perform using cane. First step is move forward the cane, and then your weak leg, and then your uninjured leg. Then the same procedure, forward, then your weak leg, then your good leg. Cane forward, weak leg, then good leg. That's how you use the cane. Now I'm going to perform ambulation using walker. So first step is move the walkers forward, and then your bad leg, then your good leg. Walker forward, then bad leg, and then uninjured leg. Forward, then bad leg, injured leg.